Hey everybody out there, how you guys doing? Pete, aka Joseph Von Schmidt with Wrestling with Stocks. Today I'm going to be going over a stock split or a reversal stock split. Two separate things that you will come across or need to know about as you are beginning to get into the stock market and get acclimated with it. So here we go. Let's just say that you have bought 10 shares of the ABC company. ABC company is going to be doing a 2-for-1 split. Now, a company can be doing many different things. It could go 2-for-1, 3-for-1, 4-for-1, 5-for-1, 10-for-1. It all just depends on what the company is going to be doing. But for simplicity's sake, let's just say that ABC company is, you have 10 shares. It's worth $10 a share, and it's going to do a 2-for-1 split. So what's going to happen is in that 2-for-1 split, your 10 shares are going to become 20 shares. At that point, the $10 value of that stock will go to $5. So it'll still be the same value of the stock, but you'll have twice as much stock. So the value is the same, but you have twice as much stock. So now you have 20 shares. Your portfolio market value will be the same in a vacuum, because lots of things can happen after a stock splits. A stock could run or a stock could sell off for profit taking. These are two things that can happen. Now, on the other end, the flip side of this, we're going to talk about a reversal split, which is going to say, let's just say you have 20 shares of ABC stock. It's worth $10 a share. $5 a share. They're going to do a 2-for-1 reverse split. So what's going to happen is your 20 shares of the ABC company are going to become 10 shares of ABC company, but the value of it being $5 will go to $10. Your value in your portfolio will still be the same in a vacuum. Again, many things can happen when stocks split or reverse split. They either can run or they can sell off for profit taking. So this is just really a quick thing to help you guys out. If you really like this and found it useful, this video, please give it a like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Also in the description below, I'm going to put a link to Webull. It's one of the platforms I really enjoy using. It really helps you get acclimated to the stocks. And again, Peter, aka Joseph Von Schmidt, Wrestling with Stocks. I hope you guys really are enjoying these videos. And if so, give it a like. All right, till next time, I'll talk to you soon.